Future of Engineering and Technology. Slide 1, Start. Imagine standing at the precipice of human achievement, where the boundaries between science fiction and reality blur into an extraordinary tapestry of possibility. Welcome to a journey into the future of engineering and technology, where we'll explore innovations that will reshape our world in ways we can barely comprehend. We stand at a unique moment in human history, where the convergence of multiple technological breakthroughs is creating a perfect storm of innovation. The engineering marvels of tomorrow aren't just improvements on today's technology, they're quantum leaps into entirely new paradigms of human achievement. Let's begin with quantum engineering, a field that promises to revolutionize everything from computing to material science. Imagine computers that don't just process information, but dance with the very fabric of reality, solving problems that would take traditional computers millennia to complete. But quantum computing is just the beginning. Biomimetic systems are emerging as a cornerstone of future engineering. Nature's 3.8 billion years of R&D are being decoded and applied to create self-healing materials, adaptive structures, and systems that evolve in real time to meet changing demands. At the nanoscale, we're witnessing the rise of molecular machines, engineered systems smaller than a human cell that could revolutionize medicine, manufacturing, and energy production. These invisible warriors of the future will repair our bodies, clean our environment, and build atom by atom. The integration of artificial intelligence into engineering design is perhaps the most transformative shift we're witnessing. AI systems aren't just tools anymore, they're becoming creative partners, generating designs that human engineers would never conceive, optimizing solutions in ways that transcend human intuition. Let's talk about sustainability, not as a constraint, but as a catalyst for innovation. Zero-impact manufacturing isn't just a dream anymore. We're developing systems that don't just minimize waste, they eliminate it entirely, transforming what we once considered waste into valuable resources. Imagine infrastructure that heals itself like living tissue. Smart materials embedded with sensors and actuators will detect damage and initiate repairs before problems become visible. Cities will become living organisms, responding to the needs of their inhabitants in real time. The energy systems of tomorrow will be unrecognizable to today's engineers. Distributed networks of renewable sources, quantum energy transmission, and fusion power will create an abundance of clean energy that will transform every aspect of human civilization. Perhaps most intriguing is the convergence of human biology and technology. Neural interfaces will create direct pathways between human consciousness and machines. Engineers will design not just with computers, but with their thoughts, in immersive environments that blur the line between imagination and reality. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of these technologies are as vast as their potential. Who controls these systems? How do we ensure they benefit all of humanity? What happens when machines can redesign themselves? Security concerns in this hyper-connected future are paramount. When everything is connected, everything is vulnerable. Future engineers must be as much philosophers and ethicists as they are technologists. The social impact of these technologies will reshape human society in fundamental ways. Work, education, healthcare, entertainment, every aspect of human life will be transformed. Are we ready for this transformation? As we look to this extraordinary future, we must remember that technology is not our destiny, it's our tool. The future of engineering isn't just about what we can build, but about what we should build. It's about creating a future that enhances human potential while preserving our humanity. The future of engineering and technology isn't a distant dream. It's being born in laboratories, workshops, and innovation centers around the world right now. You are not just witnesses to this transformation, you are its architects.